Welcome to Always Dolls, and thanks so much for joining me. Today we share with you a DIY version of American Girl's Get Outside camping table set. Craft the folding table using easily available materials. It's so cute and very versatile. Make super quick camping mugs and recycle household items into doll plates. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and click the new subscribe bar. So let's get making! To create a quick set of camping mugs, we use these mini craft containers bought from the dollar store. They are made from a hard plastic and are 2.5 centimeters high with a 2.5 centimeter diameter. For a quick handle, cut thin strips of white poster board. We chose to layer our poster board too thick for more strength. Bend the paper into a letter D shape, then adhere the tab sections directly to the container with hot glue. You can paint your mugs any colour, but we want to match AG's version, so selected Fiddly Bits brand Gloss Yellow and Rust-Oleum Satin Lagoon. Then we will step it up using a fine-tipped white Posca paint pen to draw the fun camping graphic. The mountain and sea image is easy to copy, but we did need to go over the image a few times for the paint to become fully opaque. Here we recycled the metal lid from an empty tin for a simple camping plate. Wash and dry the lid thoroughly, then spray paint light pink to match AG's colour scheme. Using an image from the website, we made a printable of the plate's camper graphic. You can click the link in the description for our Google Doc. Trace around the graphic with a circular object that is smaller in dimension than your metal lid. Cut it out, then apply glue stick to adhere the paper to the centre of your plate. Repeat the steps to make another plate. It's so easy! Now let's craft the folding table. For this, we are using extra large popsicle sticks. Take 4 sticks and line them together with the long edges touching to get a tabletop that is about 10 centimeters wide. Temporarily connect them with low-tack tape, then apply liquid glue to each popsicle stick to permanently adhere them together. Once the glue has dried, cut away the curved ends. Here we used a score and snap technique. Now our tabletop measures 16.5 centimeters long. Using scissors, gently round the corners. And file the rough wood smooth with an emery board. Next, cut a long strip of poster board for the table rim. Ours is glued 2 layers thick for strength. Apply glue along the perimeter of the popsicle sticks to attach the paper. Again, we used low-tack tape to keep the paper in place while the liquid glue dried. We also added more glue to the inside of the tabletop to reinforce the bond. Switching to the legs, we bought these small paper mache letter W's from our local craft shop. The letters are a fraction too tall for our tabletop, so we need to reduce the height to 8 centimeters. Simply measure, mark and cut away the ends with an X-Acto blade. Repeat this step for your other leg. To seal the gap, squeeze out a generous blob of hot glue onto a non-stick surface. Pop the feet into the glue and leave until it has cooled and hardened. When ready, peel off your letter and remove any excess glue strands. Next, measure down 5 millimeters from the top of your letter and mark dots for the holes that will form part of our hinge mechanism. The paper mache is easy to pierce with a push pin. Following this, feed a barbecue skewer through the holes you made at the top of your letter. Now the leg can swivel on the rod. Poke corresponding holes into the poster board rim of the table for the rod. Push the skewer through one side first, then out the other side. Repeat to position the second leg, making sure the feet meet nicely in the middle. As you can see, the letters lay flat inside the tabletop, then easily swing out when you want to use it. To match American Girl's version, we need to paint the tabletop a pale green colour and the legs and rod white. We mixed clear school glue into our green paint to help make the wood and paper of the tabletop even stronger. Now that everything is painted, reinsert the legs. and clip off any excess barbecue skewer. Great! Your DIY camping table is ready for play. If you'd like to keep crafting, check out our camping playlist to see how we made this bowl of mac and cheese and air-dry clay melon slices. We also show a DIY version of AG's Get Outside Camper, made from just cardboard. Have fun with your dolls as they explore the great outdoors. Thanks for stopping by today, and see you again soon for more miniature crafting fun!